Hello guys, welcome back. Now in this session we are going to perform lab for creation time provisioner and we will also look into deletion time provisioner. So let's jump into the Visual Studio Code to perform the lab. So guys, as I already mentioned you, we can use provisioner while creating the resource or we can use provisioner while destroying the resource. By default, a provisioner will be executed when we are creating the resource if we are using provisioner within our code block, and if in case we want to run the provisioner at the time of deletion or say at the time of destroying of the resources, then we have to specify explicitly to run this provisioner block at the time of deletion with the help of when argument. So to understand it better, we will do a lab. So for this lab we are having a requirement. So our requirement is we need to create an EC2 instance, and once EC2 instance gets created, then we need to deploy a Vim editor or say install a Vim editor within that EC2 instance, and then we will perform a destroy operation, and prior to destroying the resource it should uninstall the Vim editor and then it will destroy the resource. So guys, for the sake of simplicity of the demo, I have kept it very simple for installation of the Vim editor, but in production environment basically we perform the antivirus and other software installation post resource creation. So now let's start writing the code, but before writing the code I would tell that I have already pre-configured many things for this example which you already aware about. So over here I have already configured the tfkey.pem. I have created the key pair within AWS console, and then I have downloaded that private key, that is pem key, and kept it over here. Along with that I have also created the security group with the name allow SSH, and that I have tied up with this particular EC2 instance. Along with that I have also kept the connection block over here. Now I am going to write remote exec provisioner, one for installation operation and one for on installation operation. One will be executed while doing the creation of the resource and another one will be executed before deletion of the resource. So how we will write? We need to specify a keyword provisioner, and over here we need to specify the name remote exec, and then we need to specify inline and the command which I want to execute. I want to install Vim editor, so I will tell sudo yum -y install Vim. We are using yum command because this AWS instance based upon the CentOS distribution of Linux. So this block will be executed after creation of the resource. Now let's write another provisioner block which will be executed prior to deletion. So I will tell that provisioner. Here I will select provisioner and we need to specify the name, that is our remote exec. We want to create remote exec provisioner, and over here I need to tell to run it at the time of destroy operation or say delete operation. We need to specify when keyword. This is the argument we need to specify when argument, and over here we need to tell destroy, and then we need to specify the command which we want to execute for on installation. So what would be the command is, so we need to tell that sudo yum -y and then we need to tell remove vim. So what it will do, it will be executed prior to the deletion and uninstall the vim editor. So guys, now we are done with the configuration writing. So let's save it and let's run it. To run it I need to tell view terminal. So now let's initialize it. We need to tell that terraform init, and then so now it has initialized the provider. Now next step we need to specify terraform plan enter. So now it has given us the configuration plan and it is going to create two resources. Now the last step we need to apply it. So we will tell that terraform apply enter. It will ask for confirmation, specify yes over here. So now it has started creating. So guys, now it has created the EC2 instance. Now it is making the connection. Now it is connected. Now it has executed the installation command, and over here the Vim is already being installed, so that's the reason it is telling that nothing to do. So that is fine. So the intent of this exercise is we have to understand that creation time provisioner and deletion time provisioner, and we have executed creation time provisioner just after creating the resource. Now let's run terraform destroy operation, and you will notice that it will run this part of the code, that is provisioner, and when it is going to execute at the time of destroy. Currently it haven't executed because we have specified it should execute while doing the destroy operation. So let's do it. We will specify terraform destroy enter. So it is asking for confirmation, specify yes over here enter, and you will notice that it started connecting to the box, and over here it started deleting it, and see here it has removed over here. Now it is being complete. Now it has started destroying the EC2 instance. So it is still executing. So it has completed the destroy operation and it has destroyed two resources which we have created. So guys, this is what I wanted to demonstrate you in this session. I hope you understand the difference between creation time provisioner versus deletion time provisioners. So on this note, I am stopping over here. See you in the next session. Till then, bye bye, take care.